Hi guys, let's understand question 3. If f, the range of which is closed interval minus 5 to 5, is a differentiable function, and if f dash x does not vanish anywhere, then prove that f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. The answer is, it is given that f of minus 5 to 5 is a differentiable function. Now f is a differentiable function, so f is also a continuous function. We obtain the following results. F is continuous in closed interval minus 5 to 5 and f is differentiable in open interval minus 5 to 5. Then by mean value theorem, we can say that there exists a C in open interval minus 5 to 5 such that f dash C is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. F dash C is equal to f of 5 minus f of minus 5 upon 5 minus minus 5. That is f dash C is equal to f of 5 minus f of minus 5 upon 10. 10 into f dash C is equal to f of 5 minus f of minus 5. Now it is given that f dash x does not vanish anywhere. Therefore, 10 of f dash C is not equal to 0. Therefore, f of 5 minus f of minus 5 is not equal to 0. Hence, f of 5 is not equal to f of minus 5. Hence, proved.